All of you keep waiting. We are going to start a new chapter in chemistry. That is what first chapter in our chemistry. I hope you all bought the classwork, new classwork. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. So you can write chapter number 1, matter in our surroundings. Okay. So we'll go with like big background about this chapter. So what is going to study in this chapter? What is the main things? That's all the things I will discuss in our today's class. What is this matter? What is the classification of matters and all? Then coming classes, people will proceed from here. So now if you observe here in this lesson, what we are going to study mainly and what is it is connecting to the higher classes. Of course, remember now itself I am saying as a chemistry, we are going to start now. Entire class 11th chemistry part 1. Class 11th chemistry will be 2 parts. Okay. Just you can see. So it will be having part 1 and as well as it is having a part 2. So part 2 will be having a 6 chapters and part 2 will be having a 3 chapters. If you are very good in class 9th chemistry, whatever you are having, if you are very perfect, then this all the 6 chapters you will be 100% perfect in the sense of will boost up your learning speed, and you of course it will be very deep, but will make you to study very easily if you are very good in class 9th chemistry. Clear everyone? So that is the importance of class 9th chemistry. And if you are very good in this chemistry, class 10th chemistry, then you don't even believe class 10th we will get different types of reactions like redox reactions and as well as organic chemistry related to carbonates compounds and all. If you are very good in class 10th chemistry fundamentals, then class 11th part 2 is very simple. Only just we have a 3 chapters. So that is the importance of class 9th. Of course, class 9th this looks very simple. Now even after deletion, more even simple. They deleted most of the numericals, most of the important separation techniques and all. But anyhow, we need to know that. And if you know that, then 11th chemistry will be very simple. The structure of atoms, molecular formulas, everything based upon the fundamental only we are going to learn in the class 11th. Okay. Even if you are good in 9th, I'm saying you, I'm seeing the present 11th. Those who are very good in 9th class, now they are studying the chemistry their own without any help. That much is influenced if you are very good in 9th chemistry. Okay. So let us discuss, let us come back to the class. So matter in our surroundings is chapter 1 in our class 9th science as well as first chapter in our chemistry. So if you see here in this chapter, we are going to discuss what is matter. Okay, it's a very simple chapter. Next, we are going to study classification of matter. Means in this chapter, what we are going to study is very important. Classification of matter. Next, we are going to study physical nature of matter. Physical nature of matter. Next, characteristics of particles of matter, means how the behavior, solids, liquids, gases, we all know states of matter. Yes or no, guys? So we are going to see characteristics of particles of matter, how the particles are behaving in solids, how the particles are behaving in liquids, how the particles are behaving in gases, even fourth state of matter. If you want, even that also I will discuss it. It is not necessary for class 9, but still we want, we can make it. Even fourth state of matter, fifth state of matter is also there. So till now you might be knows hardly 3 states of matter. Yes or no, guys? All of you. So we are having even 5 states of matter. That is also we can discuss. That is only our next concept, states of matter. Okay. Next we are going to study comparison between 3 states of matter. Can you tell me what is the 3 states of matter? Everybody, what you
Solid,
people know?
liquid, gas.
Yes,
Solid liquid.
solids, liquids and gases. So what is the comparison? What is their physical properties? More than physical properties means not 1 or 2, around 12, 13 physical properties we people will study. Okay, so which will make you clear idea and new, so many new words also you people will heard in physical properties. Next we will study measurement of temperature. So how to measure the temperature with the help of thermometers? You might be studying in 7th class, 8th class, chemistry, physics, measurement devices, thermometer, clinical thermometer, lab thermometer, like the
Yes,
types of
sir.
thermometers are
Digital
there.
thermometer.
Yes, yes, yes. Digital thermometer, mercury thermometer, like the different things. So that is also, but here only measurement. Next, the most important concept is interconversion of states of matter. So interconversion means what, guys? You might be heard. What do you mean by
From
interconversion?
liquid to solid, solid to
Yes.
liquid,
So
solid to
interconversion
gas.
of states of matter means converting the one state of matter into another state of matter. So that is what. And the last concept in this chapter, we are going to study evaporation. So these are the main concepts which we are going to study in this chapter. In this whole lesson, we are discussing about the very realistic and natural things which we are seeing in our daily life. Everything is running in our surroundings only. Just to that, till now you might be not experience or you might be not feel that, but now while this chapter is going on, when you observe with the concepts what you are learning in this chapter, then you will feel the chapter what is happening, the matter which is present in our surroundings. Understand? Now, so let us comes to the general discussion first. We'll discuss it. So have you ever like if you go to your kitchen, you might be noticed most of our Indian kitchens now, we might be having a uh, uh, like you can see in our kitchen. So different varieties you people can notice it. Can you tell me what is the list out the items which you people will be seeing in our surroundings? Everybody? Yes, please. So if
Yes.
for example, yeah, let me start with that now. The present today, the cheapest vegetable which is available in market, 50 rupees, 55 kg. Anybody? What is that?
Sir, tomato, sir.
Tomato. See that? That is the smartness. So tomato, tarkali 50 rupees 5 kg they are selling. So if you have seen in our kitchen, most probably now our kitchen, tomato is the common recipe or tomato is the common vegetable which every Indian kitchen is having. Yes or no, guys? All of you? Yes, please. Now,
Yes, sir.
if you have seen
Yes,
that,
sir.
of course, it is actually a summer season, but due to the human actions or whatever it is, XYZ reasons, now we are experiencing instead of summer season, we are experiencing what? Winter season. Yes or no? Now it looks like a rainy season. Is it correct, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
if it is a summer
Sir.
season, then lemon is the one which is commonly available in most of our Indian kitchens. Yes or no, guys? In summer, because we prefer to have what? Lemon soda or lemon juice or etc. Correct, everybody? Yes, please. So if you
Yes, sir.
see in our kitchen, you might be all even finding vinegar also. Vinegar. Do you all know vinegar? Acetic acid.
Yes, sir.
Vinegar to get the
Sir.
Yes,
taste. To get the taste, you people will, if you might be having it. If you go to the near to the this is Chinese fast food center, you might be see that they will be adding some kind of liquid like a light brown in color, which will looks like a edible oil, cooking oil. It will be in a bottle. Have you noticed it looks like a cooking oil, but it's not a cooking oil. That is actually a what? Vinegar. Understanding? So vinegar which contains acetic acid. What acid? Everybody? Acetic acid.
Acetic
Acetic acid.
acid.
Understand?
Acetic acid.
So if you see this all, you might be noticed in our house by seeing this vinegar, lemon, tomato. This all, if you notice it, like even mother is using washing soda or washing powder for washing the clothes, baking soda for making the crispy. If you ask now, as it is, we are experiencing rainy season in summer. So you might be asked, mother, I want to eat something hot, which is very crispy and tasty. So you can see that mother used to add something like baking soda to make your like onion pakoda or something very crispy. Yes or no, guys? Bonda or bhaji, whatever it is. Yes, please. All of you. So if you notice this, all the things that while washing soda and baking soda, this all are bitter in taste. If you notice this vinegar, lemon, tomatoes, washing soda, baking soda, what is the taste of them? Everybody? Yes, please. They will
Bitter.
be
Bitter.
bitter, bitter
Bitter.
taste. Okay. Now, So you might be studied class 7th, acids and bases. So acids are what taste? What is the taste of the acids? Will
Salt.
be what is the taste of the acids? Sour in taste, bitter in taste. Yes, please. So if you notice it, vinegar will be sourness. Yes or no, guys? All the acids which you have taken, they'll be having the sourness. Understand? But if you have taken the washing soda, and unfortunately, if you try to put any small amount of washing soda, you will feel immediately bitter taste. Even baking soda, washing soda, don't try. Baking soda, you can try. So what is the nature baking soda taste? Immediately you will feel what? All of you.
Bitter.
Bitter in
Bitter.
taste.
Bitter.
So
Better.
We'll
acids,
use
what
it
we are
for cake
seeing.
now, sir.
Yes, yes, Mari. Yes, Mari. Cakes and all to make the cakes very fluffy and like expanding more. So we'll use this baking soda. Okay, Mari. Yes, please. So if you take
Yes.
that vinegar, tomatoes and all, so tomatoes they all will be having acids. They'll be what nature? They'll be sour in nature. Do you all understand, everybody? Yes, please. The sourness. The sourness is happening because they're having what? Acidic property or basic property? Everybody.
Acidic property.
Acidic property.
If you take this washing soda, baking soda and all, they'll be bitter in nature.
Bitter because it's in basic
Because they
property.
are basic property. Do you all understand, all of you? Please respond. Am,
Yes, sir.
they'll be having
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
basic property. So if you see, like in our only one small kitchen of our Indian like our house, we are having many substances who is having sourness and who is having a like bitter in taste. So those who are having a sour taste, we are saying they are actually acidic property. That is because of acidic property. And those who are having a bitter in taste, we are saying that because of what property? Basic
Base.
property.
Yes,
So if you take
property.
just our mother itself is using, we are dealing chemistry actually. So she is dealing with the vinegar, she is dealing with the washing soda, she is dealing with the lemon, she is doing with the tomatoes, means she is dealing with the chemistry, because chemistry deals with such properties. How mother is saying lemon juice, that is sour in taste. Understanding? So this baking soda, bitter in taste. So she knows that. Actually, she knows in the sense of they are the properties of substances. Yes or no, guys? Behavior of substances means in the sense of what? Chemistry it is. So chemistry deal with such properties. So it may be your life or my life or somebody's life. Chemistry always deals with such kind of properties and behavior of substances. So that is why the chemistry is the branch of science which studies the comparison, structure, properties and behavior of matter. So chemistry is a branch of science, deals about 4 things. Anybody will ask you, you should say. So what it will deals? Everybody, all of you, it will deals about composition. So what it is made up of. Next, how the structure of that one is present. What are the properties of this substance and what is the behavior is very, very important. Behavior of matter. So these are the 4 things where entire chemistry deals about, which is a branch of science. So this chemistry is always concerned about what is the changes that matter undergoes when under different conditions. Means, can anybody tell me what do you mean by different conditions? Any one of you, please respond. Different conditions means in the
In,
sense of
in different
Yes.
situation of temperature.
different situations of, very good, Mari. Temperature, all of you, very nice. Pressure and different reacting. Understanding with whom it is reacting, with whom it is staying. So this is the main concern of chemistry. Chemistry is always concerned about what changes will happen. For example, if Mari is staying with the Lingesh, different behavior. Mari is staying with the Kishore, different behavior. Mari is staying with the Sam, different behavior. That is what? Because if I consider Mari is a matter or Mr. Some other XYZ is a matter. So what is their behavior changes? What kind of changes when they undergoes under different conditions? Even you can take human behavior. So we people will be behaves differently with the different people and different situations. Yes or no, everybody? Do you all accept it? All of you?
Yes.
So that is what it is. Under different conditions, how a matter is behaving, that is what is chemistry deals mainly. So let us understand. So I am saying everything matter, matter, matter. So what does it matter? Generally in our daily life, we'll say girls mainly. Hey, enna matter enga irukka? Why that girl is not speaking with you? What is the matter? Like the general ways, we'll use the matter word very frequently. Yes or no, guys? All of you? Yes, please. So something like a secret or something, whatever it is, we'll say, hey, enna matter, enna, what is happening? Like that, we'll discuss. Yes or no, guys? Respond. Are you people are using or not? Yes, please.
Sir.
Nobody? But coming to the chemistry, so let us discuss. Everything we need in our daily life is made up of some materials. So whatever you need food, it is made up of some material. You need cloth, it is made up of some material. You need water, water is made up of something. You need whatever it is. You need the notebook. You are now listening through the computer or phone. Like so, whatever you need. Let us understand this. What is the meaning of matter? General meaning is different. According to chemistry, is entirely different. Chemistry meaning. What is meaning of chemistry? So, can anybody tell me? Chemistry mainly deals about what? Everybody. Chemistry
It
deals
is
about
about
what?
the composition,
Yeah.
structure,
Composition, structure,
properties,
properties,
and
and
behavior of
behavior.
matters.
Yes, under different conditions. Understand, Mister? Everybody? Under different conditions. Clear? When the same matter undergoes different conditions, when the same matter experiencing different situations, how it behaves is only chemistry. That is what chemistry wish to say. So now, if you see here, whatever is needed, can anybody tell me what do you people need in our daily life now? Anybody list out? Let me know. Boys. Let me start with the boys. Boys need, now it's a summer vacation. They need
Good.
bat, they need ball, bat. Understand? They need now. They, of course, we are all studying. We need pens. We need notebooks. We need laptop. We need phone, or we need whatever it is. Now all we are all people are eating materials. Like if you go to the garment, you people will prefer to eat pastries, or in home mother used to give you the milk now, or if you go to the bath, you are using a soap, you are using a shampoo. Of course, for cooking we are using utensils. So a lot of things we are using. Yes or no, guys? Everybody? So different materials we are using, like eating materials, yeah, like washing materials, and wearing materials like cloths, writing materials, pen, notebook, etc. Each of this material, have you noticed it? Is it all are in same size, same shape, and same texture and same composition? Everybody? No.
No,
Yes
sir.
or no? So each
Sir.
one, whatever we are using in our daily life, milk, soap, shampoos, bats, balls, pens, pastries, cakes, whatever it is, each one of these is different in shape, different in size, different in texture. Texture means looks, how it is available, looks outside. Texture and composition. Paste cake is made up of different composition. Soap is made up of different composition. Shampoo is made up of different composition. Balls is different. Bat is different. Like that. Different composition of other. So nobody is having the similar structure, similar size, similar shape. Whatever if you notice, if you are using in your daily life. Yes or no, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But can you notice it? All the things, whatever I'm using, shampoo, soap, pastries, materials like pens, balls, bats, wearing shirts, shorts, whatever it is, shirt, pant, whatever it is you have taken. They do not have common shape. They do not have common size. They do not have common texture. Do you all understand, everybody? They do not have common texture, and they do not have same composition also. Understanding the different composition from another, each other. So, but they are having a common thing. Can you tell me, anybody? Composition from the other. So can you tell me? Yes, they are having a something. All the things they are having a common thing. Alfin, can you tell me, Mr. Darshan? They all are having mass. Understand, everybody? Yes. They all are having something mass, and they all are occupying some space. Yes or no, guys? Everybody? Yes, please. That is what. Understanding? If you take the soap is occupying some space in our toilet or restroom. Shampoo occupying. Bat occupying some space in our storeroom. Understanding? So pens occupying some space in our bag. Understand? Notebook is occupying some space in our bag. So, and everything, shampoo, soap, milk, bats, balls, everything, they are having a mass. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. So that is what. So even though they do not have same shape, same size, everything, but all these things, whatever the substances we are using, they are having, uh, they are all are occupying the space and they are having the mass. Do you all understand, all of you? Yes, please.
Sir.
That is only called as matter. Understand? So of course, okay, still some people might be not understand what is this, what sir is speaking so many things about us. Let us discuss. How many of you are having notebook in our now in front of you? I hope everybody is having a classwork or notebook, class textbook or something in front of you. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, hold a book in your hand,
Yes, sir.
all of you. Just hold a book in your hand. You can see. You will observe that it is definitely having some heavy. You can see that. Of course, you might be purchase 400 rupees per 400 page notebook. Definitely, you will feel some heavy in your hand. Just have you understand? Are you feeling heavy now? Are you all carrying the book? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you are carrying the book, are you feeling it is heavy? Heavy in the sense of not too much. Just you are feeling that something you are carrying. Are you all experiencing that? Yes, please. Is there
Yes,
anyone
sir.
who is not experiencing? So if you are experiencing means, if you are holding a book, if you are experiencing means, it has what? It has something. You are feeling heavy. It has a what? Something.
Mass.
It has mass.
Mass in it.
Understanding? It has a mass. Now, place that book in our table. In front of you are having a table. Most of you are having. Of course, I know that you are using desktop. Or else in front of your home. If it is a floor, place the book in the floor or table. You can see that. All of you. So if you place the book on the table, definitely it is occupying some space. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then
sir.
I'll say, similarly, every kind of material, whatever we are using in our daily life, which will be having a mass and which will be occupy the space.
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 So
Space.
that is what scientifically, these materials who is occupying the mass and who is having a mass and occupying the space. Scientifically, these are known as what we used to call scientifically, which we used to call as matter.
Matter.
Understanding? So general life matter meaning is different. According to the scientifically, matter meaning is different. Hope everybody understood. Alpin, Lingesh, Kishore, that is what you have to remember. Yeah. So somebody called to that Agalya and Shivani. I don't know what happened. Yeah. Then who else is missing? Mr. Mari, Gokul,
English is there, sir.
Lingesh joined. Okay.
Sanjay, sir.
Yeah, Sanjay not there. Sanjay and Agalya and Shivani. Next Gokul.
Shivani.
Okay. Gokul from tomorrow he will
Gokul Raj
join.
went to
Yeah, tomorrow he will join. Okay, that's fine. So this is what
Yes.
about it. So this is what matter. So we are entering into first word of our chapter name. What is that actually? Matter. Understand?
Matter.
Understand what is matter? Everybody clear up? Everybody?
Sir.
So that is what. So please keep heading matter. Matter. Right. Matter. Anything which has mass, definition. Anything. Lingesh, can you understand Lingesh?
Yes, sir.
Which has mass, write neatly notes. Are you all taking the notes? I want to know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Occupies space. Boys also, everybody take. Mr. Pranav, are you taking the notes? Space is known as matter. Okay, all of you. Anything which has mass and occupies the space is known as what? Matter. Is it okay, guys?
Matter.
So that is what you have to remember. So if matter is present in our surroundings, are you people are able to identify or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
people are identify or not? Yes, you can identify. But
sir.
some matters are not visible to us, but we can felt with our senses. We can felt with our senses. So can you tell me what is the example like that? Which we
Sir,
can
smell.
Smell.
Air.
no.
Smell.
Mari, smell is not a matter. Smell is not a
Air.
matter. Yes, everybody. Air. Understanding? Which we cannot see the air, but can we feel the air or not? Everybody. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is. So every
sir.
matter is not visible to us. Every matter is not identified by us. So some matters we can identify and some we will feel with our senses. Do you all understand, everybody? That is what you have to remember. Okay. So matter can be identified or felt with what? Felt with our senses. Understanding? So what is the example? Felt with our senses. Yes. We
Air.
cannot see air. Okay, Rakishore? We cannot see air, but we can what, guys? We can feel it. When it is blowing, we can feel it or not? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
That is what you have to remember. And if you take our eyes, if you have noticed it, our eyes can see all the physical state of matter, all the three physical state of matter. State of matter. What is the three physical state of matter? Our eyes can see, everybody. All of you.
Solid.
Solid,
Liquid.
and gas.
Liquid.
Okay.
Yes.
So our eyes can see the physical state of matter and physical changes as well as, and it will recognize either it is a solid or liquid or gas. Is it yes or no, guys? Everybody respond. Yes,
sir.
please. Now,
Yes, sir.
if I show you sugar and milk, are you people able to identify? Oh, yes, this is liquid. Milk is a liquid. Sugar is a solid. Are you able to identify or not?
Yes, sir.
How you are identifying? By seeing the physical conditions. Yes or no? At a room temperature, what is looks like a solid? That is what we are calling as solid. What is looks like a liquid? That is what we are calling as liquid. Is it yes or no, guys? Everybody? Yes, please. All of you? That is what.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I will say you, I will list out certain actions. Let me say, how many of you consider, is it a matter or not? Can I say everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
of course, if I put any kind of hot bowl on your hand, are you feeling the hot or heat? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
If I put
Yes, sir.
if I put ice cube inside your suppose inside your shirt, suppose let me put I'll put ice cube into the Nivedan shirt. Now Nivedan, are you feeling the cool? Are you feeling the immediately will shake your body? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now you can feel the heat, you can feel the light, you can feel the electricity, you can feel the attractions, you can feel emotions, beauty, sorrow, thoughts and ideas. This all the things is there in our mind. We can feel everything, we can feel. This all the things we'll experience in our life. Yes or no, guys?
So then these are matters, sir.
But these all are considered as a what? They do not consider as a matter. Why? Because they do not acquire two things. If you take this, all our emotions, love, understanding, guilty, crying, understanding, laughing, okay, this all, everything, our thoughts, ideas, everything, we will feel it, we will experience it, but still they are not considered as a what? Everybody, we can feel
Matter
something. Yeah, we can feel the heat, we can feel the light, we are having emotions like sorrow, understanding, beauty. So everything, we can enjoy the nature's beauty, but we all can feel this, but these all are not considered as a what? Everybody,
Matter.
they do not,
Matter.
they're not considered as a matter. Why they do not consider? Not
It doesn't
consider,
have
yes,
mass. It is an
not
emotion.
considered as a matter. They are just feeling. That is why you should understand. Every feeling substance is not a matter. Every physical matter is every like what we can say. Whatever you feel is not a matter. We may feel it, but it must have what? It must have space and it has some mass. Understand? Yeah. Not considered as a matter because they do not what? They do not acquire,
Space.
do
Mass
not
and
acquire any
Mass.
space
Mass and
or and do not have what?
mass.
mass.
Mass. Understand, all of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is what. Abhirami,
sir.
any doubt? Alfin,
No, sir.
Hasini,
No,
clear?
sir.
That is what, including the electricity. Electricities, understand whatever it is, you can see that all these things, this is all. So that is why you have to remember, it is very, very interesting to know that even the bodies of living organisms, if you take your body, my body, if you consider Mr. Kishore, Lingesh, me, you, each and every one of you, all our living organisms, we people are chemically made up of what? Chemically made up of matter. Do you all understand, everybody? Yes, please. Will you accept it or not? Our body, our flesh, our hair, our nose, our teeth, our ears, our legs, our hands, everything is chemically made up of what? Everybody. Yes, please. Respond.
Matter.
Understanding? So not only non-living bodies, all the living bodies also, bodies of living organism, chemically made up of what? Everybody. Chemically
Matter.
made up of matter.
Matter.
Understand, Mr. Sam, Lingesh? If you take like metals, we all know we are seeing a metals in our surroundings, and you can see metals opposite word, 8th class chemistry, non-metal.
Non-metal.
Yes or no? So metals and non-metals which are present inside the body of living beings. Even, of course, we are having so many minerals we need, like iron, magnesium, calcium and all, that all are under metals. That is also present, certain metals also present inside the body of living beings, but not in the form of like the what we are seeing outside. It will be like something. If you take, suppose, iron is present in our body somewhere, main transportation system. Can you tell me? Iron is present inside our body. Where it is present?
Blood vessels.
Yes, not blood vessels. Who is carrying the oxygen? That is what we used to call
Diffusion.
Hemoglobin.
hemoglobin. Understanding? RBC, red blood corpuscles or
Yes, sir.
red blood cells. So the respiratory pigment. What is the respiratory pigment called as?
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin. Respiratory pigment, which is known as hemoglobin, called, which contains what? Iron.
All.
Understand? Iron. So some non-metals also present in our body. We people are breathing. What is a non-metal? We are breathing. Anybody? Yes, please.
Plastic.
Plastica. Are you breathing plastic?
Air.
Air. Air
So
contains
oxygen.
what?
Oxygen.
Understanding?
Oxygen.
Our body needs hydrogen. Our body needs water, non-metal. First of all, our body is made up of what? Carbon and compounds. Carbon is a metal or non-metal? Our entire body is made up of carbon.
Metal.
Carbon is a non-metal, Mari. Carbon is a non-metal. Clear,
Yes, sir.
Mari? Yes. Carbon.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we need nitrogenous products for our growth. Not only us, plants also. We need nitrogen. We need hydrogen. We need oxygen. We need phosphorus. We need metals like calcium, magnesium. Understand? These all the things, they all are used in our body for different functions. So that is why living organisms also, plants, animals, it is a single cellular animal, multicellular animal, doesn't matter. Every organism is made up of many things. So many metals and non-metals. That is why every living organism is also considered as a what, guys? All of you considered as a matter. Is it okay, guys? All of you, please respond. Any doubt in this, you can ask me. Clear? So that is what about
Yes.
it. Now. So just I will give you in our class, I will give you the flowchart of matter. Then about that classification of matter, we'll discuss in our tomorrow's class. Is it okay, everybody? So now, so all of you write this matter we are going to classifying into different things. We all know based upon the physical properties, based upon the how it looks, how it is appears. That is only called as classification of matter. What is to call, all of you? Classification of matter. So, okay, so that is what in detail we are going to discuss. Okay, now write this classification of matter. So based upon the physical classification, understanding? So matter we can classifying in two ways, based upon chemical, another one is what? All of you, based upon physical. So that is what we'll discuss everything in coming classes. Physical classification, opposite one, opposite to physical what? All of you,
Chemical.
chemical classification. Okay, write it. Physical classification and chemical classification. Remember, physical classification you all knows. Matter is made up of how many states? Everybody. Yes, please. 3 states. What is the
Three
state?
states.
All of you knows.
Solid,
Solid,
liquid, gas.
liquid, gas.
Liquid and gas. As I already told you, I will teach you two more things. That is what? One is plasma, another one is BEC. Okay, I will teach you tomorrow what is BEC. If you want, you can write the full form. That is known as Bose-Einstein condensation. Actually, this will come in even 11th and 12th also. But you just need to know, because if you are going for any kind of quiz exams, government exams, like anything state competitions, we used to call, by the time it will come, fifth state of matter, Bose-Einstein state, or we can say Bose-Einstein condensate. Condensate, you can write condensate. Is it clear? All of you understand? Please mute yourself. Bose-Einstein state, or we can say Bose-Einstein condensate. This is the 5 states of matter. And based upon the chemical classification, matter is classified into 3 types. One is element, another one is what? All of you. Compound, next one is mixture. Okay. So this is what classification of matter. So we will discuss it, everything, each and everything in our coming classes. No need to worry. So physical classification is 2 types. Physical classification is 5 types. Solids, liquids, gases. Fourth one is what? What is the fourth state of matter? Plasma. Fifth state of matter is either Bose-Einstein state, or we can say Bose-Einstein condensate.